One common misconception that people have about this program is that business analytics is all about crunching numbers, which is not true. Business analytics goes beyond that. It requires students to have strategic thinking, and we also teach that here at the program. Students also know and get to learn about business acumen, what businesses need, what businesses require, and for you to be able to communicate effectively with your customers.
St. Lawrence has given me amazing experience and learning in terms of culture, that I felt inclusive being an international student, that I was getting great opportunity of networking. Also, people like Milton, who are great, not only great faculty, but they are also great mentors who always and consistently provide you all the great guidance and also great knowledge.
The first reason to take our program has to do with our curriculum, which has been designed based on needs of the industry itself. Our approach of hands-on learning, which means that you will be given real-world scenarios and cases that will help you later on in the future as a professional in the field.
If I talk about 3 top reasons why someone choose SLC, so first and foremost is like the greatly designed courses. The content that is being provided in some sort of technicality and also soft skills is amazing. Also the great alumni network and also great faculty network is also quite exceptional. Like you will gonna allow lots of things and you're gonna get so many different insights from real-time world as well as from the academic perspective as well. And last but not the least, again, like SLC has been doing so many great placements as well for the graduates, which also gives students a great chance and opportunity to be in the real world, work with real employers, and also get some more experience so that they will be market ready when they graduate.
Our program remains modern because of our program advisory committee, which is a group of industry professionals who give us continued suggestions about the new trends, new technologies, new business needs that our program should have. We incorporate those changes in our program as soon as possible, and our students are job ready, which is the main thing, and that's what we are very proud of.
So if I talk about the typical things as a business analyst with ministry, so fortunately it includes all the skills what I learned from here, and as well as I am carrying with myself from my past working experience as well. So the first and foremost is designing dashboards and also analyzing data. Apart from that, I also do provide consultation to our internal and also some external clients as well. If I add some more things, like, so I'm also doing requirement elicitation as well. Being business analyst, that's also for one of the most important work that you will not gonna do, like you will need to do requirement elicitation and also interview with all the different stakeholders in the department. And last but not the least, I'm also working on the documentation as well, like the project outlines, business requirement documentation, and at the end, like the whole report. So this is kind of a typical day for me when I am working with ministry as a business analyst.
Are you ready to transform your career with data? If so, we invite you to join our business analytics program here at St. Lawrence College.